Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on binomial expansion. Let's see how we can do this question proficiently. So you're given the value of n in 1 plus 2x, and given that the coefficient of x squared and x cubed are in the ratio of 3 to 14. Okay, so you're asked to find the value of n. So let's try and see how we can do this proficiently. So the first thing is to write down 1 plus 2x, the general form. So this is 2x and this is bracket. This is 1, this is 2x plus dot 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 dot. So the general form will be, this will be n. Put r here. So obviously the easiest way is put r here, and this will be n minus r, but this is just 1. So the general term, the general form will be just be nr 2r xr. That's pretty okay. Alright, so what we need to know is basically to find the coefficient of x squared. So when for x squared, you know that r is equal to 2, right? Basically this is just r. So this is a pretty straightforward question. What we're going to do next is just write down the coefficient of x squared will just be n choose 2 square, right? So this is the coefficient. Please look at, this is a coefficient, right? So that is it. So for x cubed, because you're given as well the ratio of x cubed here, so what I'm going to do is actually for x cubed, your r will just be 3, right? So it's pretty simple. R is 3, and the coefficient of x cubed would just be n3 2 cubed, right? So this is it. So this is a part of it, and basically you're told that the coefficient of the n squared to x cubed is 3 to 14. But firstly, please expand this. N choose 2 is n minus 1 over 2 factorial, and this is 4. 2 squared is 4. N choose 3 is n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 factorial, and this is actually just 2 cube, which is 8. Alright, so this is it. So what we're going to do is actually just going to divide this, but before that I'm just going to try and simplify this. So this will be 2n minus 1. This will be 8 over 3 factorial, which is 8 over 6, so this will be 4 third, and n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, so we are told that the coefficient of x squared, which is 2n, coefficient of x squared over, we are given that coefficient of x squared over coefficient of x cubed would be in the ratio of 3 to 14. So this is 3 to 14. So that's pretty okay. I'm just going to take up 2n minus 1. So 2n times n minus 1. And the other one would be 4n times n minus 1. So this is divided by 4 over 3n n minus 1 and n minus 2. So this is n minus 2 here. Alright, so this is it, and this would be 3 over 14. Okay, great. So I'm just going to simplify this, cancel away this one. Just make sure that n is not equals to 1, so we could cancel it. Yeah, this is fine. So once you're done, you get cancel off n as well. So this is n. Yeah, just make sure n is not equals to 0 as well. So since n is not equals to 1 and not equals to 0, so this would be 2 over 4 over 3 n minus 2 equals to 3 over 14. Alright, so this case here, what we're going to get is actually just cross multiply. So 2 times 14 equals to 3 times 4 over 3 n minus 2. Okay, so cancel all this. What we're going to get is actually 4 n minus 2, 2 14. So n is equals to 214 divided by 4 plus 2. So you could just solve this linear equation here, whichever way you want. It's pretty simple. I think this is 9. Alright, so n is actually 9. So this is how you solve this question here proficiently. If you have any questions or comments, please do let us know. And keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.